Hey there everyone, an old friend here. So in this video we're gonna talk about some simulation game or said to be a site known as to be RollerCoin. In this website we can earn freely or said to be as free to play user by playing games, completing tasks, completing offer wall and different things here. So first we need to introduction about RollerCoin. So first thing first, come over here and check their live stats here. They're showing that some users are withdrawing 0.75 sol pool and bnb and other stuff, completing task here. So scroll down a little bit here. So what they achieve in these 7 years, so this website is about 7 years old. So in 7 years 84.34 btc they mine here. So that's a huge achievement according to me. So scroll down a little bit. So you can see here in 2018 they launched this website, and other stats are here. Last year 0.29 btc mined. So other coins are also here, you can check it out here. So come over here, you can check it out everything about the RollerCoin here. So for now we are going for sign up option, sign up page. I will give you, or said to be I will provide you link in description or in comment section. So click on that link and open the page. So on a sign up page, come over here and provide your email here. Click on this, click to verify, click here that you are not a bot, then click on continue with email. You can also have this option here. So write an email here. After that you will get the temporary code on your email. Copy that code, and after this step provide that code in code option and click on verify, then you are good to go. So after sign up, this page is pop up on your screen. So as you can see here, my miners on the rack I am mining for now. So for now I think you guys have a question how we could earn Bitcoin in this website. So first thing first, I will show you how you can play games. So first thing, click on games. So as you can see here, different types of games are here. So you can play different types of games. These games are not too hard, you can play easily, but as level goes from level 1 to level 10, these game getting hard. So for now I will show you the showcase about these games. So as you can see here, after you completed the level or you win the game, this is a claim button which appear. Click on claim and this process will begin. So by playing this game you can earn this much GHS in power. We will talk about these power levels and power GHS, EHS, THS in later on videos. So for now, by playing games you are earning power for free without the miner. So my intention was just to introduce you to this platform, a free to play platform in which you can mine virtual games. So we will talk about later in these other things. So for now I am concluding this video by saying that this game or this website is free to play, but your earning opportunity is not just like you are going to reach in overnight. So that's not possible here. You need to play, or you need to spend about 1 to 2 hours daily here as a part-time. That what I am doing. In this way you can start earning some little pennies and then earn $1 a day, so on and so forth. So for now I will catch you guys in next video. Stay safe and happy.